Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be drawing the sunflower. The reason I'm drawing the sunflower is because it's the Ukraine national flower and they are going through a really tough time at the moment. Now my wife's family, she has some relatives over there, so we are feeling very helpless that we can't do anything to help them out. So I'm drawing the flower to show our love and support for them. I hope you can join me and draw the sunflower as well. If you would like to, you can change the sunflower colors to whatever ones you would like. But with mine, I've made some leaves as the Ukrainian flag and in the shape of love heart so that we can send our love over to them. I'm going to start with a circle near the top of my page. Now we want to draw the petals on. So I'm going to draw each little petal on, starting with that one, working my way around. You just keep going around and drawing each petal one at a time by putting a curved line in, and they sort of overlap each other. As you can see, I've zoomed in here to show you, and you basically do a curve and then you join it back to the other petal. I'm trying to keep them the same length away from the circle, middle of the circle of the sunflower. Now I'm drawing mine in a Sharpie. You might like to draw yours in pencil and you can go over it later. If you're not happy with any bits, you could rub them out. Now it's time to draw a circle for the eye and another circle near the top of the sunflower middle. And we're going to just draw two more little circles because these are going to be kawai style eyes, and just colour those in. And do the same on the other eye, and we are going to colour that in with Sharpie right now. Now you can see that mine's bled a little bit, so I may only end up with the two white circles. Now we draw a big U shape for the mouth, a big smiley mouth. Now we're going to bring the stem down. Try not to do it too straight. Have a little bit of a curve in the stem. And then we're going to put on the next part, which is, it's going to be sitting into a nice field. This sunflower is growing into nice grass. And like a zigzag line and then a straight line out either side to finish that off. Now the leaves. Draw two lines coming out. Now what I'm going to draw is a love heart leaf shape. You can see the love heart shape pointing out. Now we have one of the leaves, and I'm drawing a middle line through there for the Ukraine flag, or the stem or the vine of, that can be the middle part of your leaf. And you can see another love heart shape for the leaf, and then a line through the middle for the veins of the leaf. Now I'm going to speed up the video and colour in. I've chosen to colour mine with coloured pencils. You might like to use pencils or markers, it's up to you. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed drawing the sunflower. I will see you next time. Thanks a lot. See you guys. Bye.